Hiyo ni a bit concentration kwa striking, kwa attacking yetu, sababu umepata the first 10 minutes tulipata opportunities nzuri za kuwa game. Tulipata 3 chances za kill game, but now attackers wetu hawakuwa composed. Then tukapata opportunity ya kupata bao moja in the 35 minutes, but ikawa ngumu kudefend sababu ya utepetevu wa defense line yetu. But ni vitu zenye tunaenda kwa hizo. Ni first leg, ni second leg ndio inaanza, so hizi mistakes ndio zitatufanya to move forward vizuri.
Good game, na pia naweza shukuru kwa hiyo maybe your draw, because I have to accept the results. So pia ningependa kushukuru opponent, ame come up with a good fight, na the game was good, especially for the growth of the players. So to me na feel tulikuwa na need the 3 points, imekataana, tumepata draw, but tunashukuru, tunasukuma mbele. Nothing to worry about, but I feel I'll work on it, because last game they played well, they scored. To me I feel it is not more about the scoring, although we have created more chances hatuja convert, but I feel maybe the mistake ile tumefanya in terms of defending to cost. So I feel that mistake came to cause, because when the strikers they give you 2 goals, then it is upon the defenders to make sure they seal those points. But it happens in football, I have to accept.